Here we go. So the rest of your review. Let's see how much we can get through. I'm gonna try to do my best with getting it through it face to face with you. If not, I will definitely have a video that will be posted with all of it completed for you. Okay. All right. Here we go. So our final exam here, part 2. We're going to start off with compositions. So composing functions from a table, graph, and equation is where we're going to start. If you look right here, we're going to do the one that says determine M composed of N of X. All right, here we go. So remember with composition, you want to start from the inside. Okay, so we're going to start from the inside. And we have N of X. And N of X is what? X cubed minus 7, right? So now we're going to replace it. So it becomes M X cubed minus 7. And when something is inside of the parentheses in function notation, that means it becomes the X value, right? So where M is, it's 5X. So instead of it just being X, it's going to be what?
Good morning, Waco High School. Merry Christmas.
Here we go. And then you simplify. So when I simplify this, it becomes what? 5X cubed minus 35. So there's your composition. Okay. So again, this was an example of a function going into a function with composition. Okay. The next one we're going to do is M in a 5. So it's a function in a graph. Well, not a function in a graph, a function with being evaluated. So the first thing you want to do is find the inside. So our inside is N of 5. So N of 5 equals, that means wherever X is, I'm plugging in a 5, right? So it's going to give us 5 cubed minus 7. I'm writing where it says determine M in a 5. So we do the inside first. So we have 5 cubed minus 7, which gives us 125 minus 7, which equals, what is that? 118. Okay. So now I know the value of N of 5. And I'm going to take that and plug it in. So we have M of 118. Because notice what used to be inside of M? N of 5. Do we know the value of N of 5? Yes. So now we're going to take 118 and plug it into M, which equals 5 times 118. And what is 5 times 118, calculator people? 590. So our final answer is 590. So hopefully you all remember us doing this where you had the round the room answers and you had to do it and check yourselves. Can I not talk about that right now? Thank you. All right, here we go. We have P, H of 2. So you're going to do the inside first. H is a graph, right? So I'm going to go to H and I'm going to go to X equals 2 and find out what do I get. So when I go to the graph, I go to X equals 2, we get -6. Do we see that? So it's 2 comma -6. So that is what H of 2 is, -6. So it becomes P -6. And that's because H of 2 is what? -6. Okay, and now I'm going to take this and plug it into P. So that gives us -6 plus 3 to the 4th power. What is -6 plus 3? -3. Negative 3 to the fourth power means I have negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. There we go. It's basically 9 times 9, which is, because remember, this is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3. And you can kind of pair them up, right? That gives you 9 times 9, which equals 81. Are we good? Okay. So now we're doing h of p negative 2. So we're starting on the inside. We got to find p of negative 2. So p of negative 2 means we're starting at p, right? And we're going to plug in negative 2. So we have negative 2 plus 3 to the 4th equals 1 to the 4th. And what's 1 to the 4th? 1. So now we're going to take that and plug it into h. H is our what? That's the graph. So we're going to go to x equals 1, follow it down, and what do we get? Negative 7. Right here? It says x plus 3. That 3? Yeah, it's from the equation. P of x equals x plus 3 to the 4th. And all we did was substitute in the x. Nothing else changes. H is our graph. H of 1 equals. Okay, so that's using graphs and equations. Now let's talk about using tables. So using the table, again, we start from the what? The inside. So we start from the inside, and our inside is G of 7. So I'm going to go to table G, find the value at 7, and then I go on to the next. So table G, the value at 7 is 5. So now this becomes f of 5. Go to table F, the value at 5 is 14. So my answer is 14. Oh my gosh, how do you know I was going to say that? Oh, good job. So I'm going to give you 60 seconds or less to do the last one. Okay, let's see what we got. So we started from the inside, f of 0. So we went to table F, went to 0, and we got, what's the output there? 3. So we get G of 3. So we're going to go to table G, and the output at 3 is 6. How do you feel about compositions? Doable? All right.